Alright, before we start this video, I gotta let you guys know 3 things, right? It's been 9 months since I uploaded the last video when I dropped out the 540 for paint. That's wild. No more lagging on videos. And if you haven't watched that video, I highly suggest that you do watch it, because you're not gonna understand. You're gonna understand, but like, it just makes more sense if you watch it. So go click it like now. It'll be like here or there. You're still here? We're not gonna watch the video until you watch that one, so we'll just stick around. Second thing I gotta tell you guys is keep your eyeballs open, because I've been working on something that you guys might like. I'm really excited about. So I just want to tell you guys, be on the lookout. Third, I got some really unfortunate news to tell you guys. But before I tell you guys, I have to get you up to speed, and then I'll tell you. But yeah, stick around. You'll see it in a future video. It is what it is. Alright, why are you still here? You're supposed to watch that other video. But if you decide not to for some reason, I can twist your arm. So I guess we're just gonna press play. It's funny because this video is really old. Like, my hair is different and everything. But yeah, let's just go back in time. Since you're not gonna watch the other one, we'll just watch this one now. So let's get the video started, huh? I probably should not be driving the M5, but how could I not drive it? So what I'm doing right now, basically, pulling up to the shop, check out the 540s. Supposedly it's being painted, but I'm not sure if I'm supposed to be at the shop or at a paint booth. Right now, I'm currently waiting for an update, but we'll see what happens. Sweater looking good, man.
Do-rag activity.
It's about to happen.
Whoa.
You see what this is? This is a box. Oh, what? Wow, dude, that is crazy. This is my car?
Something like that.
This is my car? Damn. Jefe, we did, man.
Bing bang.
This shit is wild, man. Like, you gotta understand, the whole time I've been in the game, I never had a car like look so good. Yeah, it's just, it don't really seem real. I mean, next step is assemble, but like, this is her. This is, you don't even know what I had to go through. I bought this car with like a blue front bumper, and then I had a blue front bumper M Sport. I bought this car clapped out, and it came back to life. Shout out to my man Baby.
You did. You know what I mean? You know how we do.
Yes, sir. Look at this. Restoration on Beamers, huh?
You feel me?
Tell the people what you do.
Oh man, vintage Beamer, you know, the highest quality restorations that you can find in LA, you know. Got you. You know? Hook you up right here.
Yes, sir. Damn. And I still haven't showed y'all the rims. So when the rims end this car, be a whole new nigga just flexing on everybody.
The next day.
I just got notification that my car's ready for pickup. You guys know me, I don't have a truck, I don't have a trailer. So, shout out to my man's Dave, man. I'm gonna borrow it, go get a trailer, go get my car. Today's gonna be a wonderful day. It was a little late notice. I was preparing for like last Monday, but it was late notice, so now like I had to get truck and trailer and just hurry up. I'm glad I had enough time, and shout out to Dave and U-Haul. So I'm gonna hop in the truck and be on my melody way. Ay, one time like 2 times. What the fuck? It's a tight ass street here. All right, here goes the test of how good of a driver I am. So, I guess I'm gonna back up the trailer into the alleyway. Fuck, okay, let's see how this goes. If you guys never backed up a trailer, don't talk your shit. Oh Damn, this is gonna be a little difficult than I thought. Alright. Let's see. Don't jackknife it. And fuck, now there's pressure because there's people here. Yep, backing up a trailer is kind of hard, yo. So, I'm gonna take the sweater off. It's getting a little hot. And I'm gonna try again. See how this goes. It's a tight ass streets out here. And, yeah, never really backed up a trailer. I'm trying to go down the alley, but if not, I'll just pull to the side and bring the car out. That's probably what I'm gonna have to do. But yeah, stay tuned on this journey of how to recover the F540 and not knowing how to drive. Alright, players. Who said I don't know how to drive a trailer? I'm in here. I just didn't want to go back that way because there's a couple of cars and shit. So I'm just gonna stop right here, get the car, drive it out, and load the baby up. Hey. I don't know if I should show y'all if you guys read. Damn, this is my car. This is crazy. Damn, dude. What up, brother? How you doing, man?
Another day.
Shout out to you, bro, for taking care of me, man.
Oh man, it's looking nice and sparkly, huh?
Yeah, okay, I'm just gonna have to show y'all, huh? Look at this. Long time waiting, long time coming. Damn. Of course, they don't do justice on camera, but
You gotta do some extreme detailing inside, but
yeah, we'll leave the outside. I mean, the inside for later. Oh my God, this car look crazy. Damn. Alright, my dumbass got too excited, and you're supposed to leave these actually out there, so when you run them over, then you put them behind the tire. My dumbass was like just moving too fast, pretty excited, and then I was like, well, let me pull the trailer back, but I pulled the trailer back, and boom, I didn't have the ramps back. So now, checking it up, put it back on, and then we're good to go. Just take your time, relax. All excited and rushing and shit. Alright, I'm gonna take my time, load it up, and then be on my melody way. Finally on the trailer. Time to head home, parking in a little stall until I assemble. If you guys are local and you follow me on Instagram, check out the Instagram page because I'm kind of dreading putting this car together. So if anybody wants to help, just hang out and we have a good time. We all assemble it together. It's not too bad, but I do want to put it together now, but I know it's a lot of shit to put back together. So yeah, if you want to help, follow Instagram. I'll let you know when we're doing this. But I'm happy, man. Big shout out to Vintage Beamer. Finally got the car painted after so long. Can't talk too much though. So we're just gonna load up and head out. Head back to the crib. Follow Vintage Beamer on Instagram because my dude hosts like crazy things. Tomorrow's actually like a flea market he's got going on. But yeah, Vintage Beamer. Shout him out. Alright, yo.
Hey, take it good. take good care of my baby, okay?
I appreciate you.
Hey,
man.
I'm gonna send you the flyer, man. Can you post it for me on your story?
Bro, that's what I was saying. I was telling the people follow him on Instagram because he be doing wild stuff.
I know for that, but I'm just talking about like for tomorrow's event and shit.
Yeah.
Yeah, just throw that up on there. You know what I mean? We're trying to get as much support as possible in this shit.
Yeah, but look at. What are you talking about?
Oh, my fault.
I already reposted it.
Damn, niggas is already reposting.
Yeah, we going there
No,
tomorrow.
it's gonna be a vibe tomorrow.
For sure, huh?
It's gonna be like last time, but like with vendors and like more food and just more like a block party kind of
Like
vibe.
a block party. See? Block party.
Change up the whole car meet status type vibe, you know?
That's what I'm talking about,
Yeah,
man.
man. Can't just be just meeting up at parking lots with no ditches and food and fucking gear and shit. Damn, music.
Go with your fat ass, bro.
You know what I'm saying? All right, bro.
Hey, appreciate
Yeah,
you
like
guys.
I said, put it all
100%.
together, bring it back. We're gonna like, you know, go through it one more time.
For sure.
You know what I mean? And like
Yeah.
let me know like imperfections and shit, whatever. But yeah, like bring it back because it still needs a little bit of like another quick little round. But I know you're gonna have it like for a month or a couple weeks. You know what I mean? Yeah,
Unless the people of the internet want to come through and help.
yeah, but get it done like ASAP though.
All right, brother.
All right.
Appreciate you, man. Sheesh. I'm looking good just like that. Yeah, but like I'm saying, follow the dude on Instagram. He's got a lot of shit going on. Shout out to Vintage Beamer. Shout out to Dave. Shout out to you for watching this. We on our way home. I should tie that shit down, huh? Because it's probably going to be going all kinds of places. I'm going to work on this, but that's enough. I'll see you guys in a little bit. In the car in the driveway. Mom's doesn't know, so we're about to see Mom's reaction if she's coming outside right now. Alright, she's not happy.
That sucker's hard. Dang. I'm gonna drive that sucker. Dang. I don't see no plate. I don't see no plate.
Hi, everybody.
There's no flake on there.
What do you think?
It's hard. It's nice. Beautiful color. Beautiful color.
What are you talking about? That no flake. Well, you can't see it right now.
It's a beautiful color. You did a good job. Dang.
Dang. Okay, battery's about to die. So, I'm gonna leave you guys there. What?
Doors.
The doors, yeah, I gotta put it all back together. The reassemble process. So, I gotta put this in the stall, let it cure some more, and just chill away. But yeah, it's finally home.
I don't know what stone you putting it in. You ain't even got my battery, nothing. Oh, hell no. You crazy. You must be out your mind now.
Alright, I'm gonna have to leave you guys there. Thanks for watching. I'm tired. I'm gonna put it away and keep working and then get back to it.
Beautiful color.
Beautiful color, huh? Before we leave, let me test fit the front bumper and see how that looks. Alright, little sneak peek with the front bumper on. Still gotta reassemble everything, but I want to see how that looks. Front bumper came out great too. Used to be a cool color in the beginning too, but alright, whatever. Gotta drop that off. Gotta store this. A lot more stuff to do, but that's about it. Thanks for watching. Peace out, everybody. Like, subscribe, comment, all that famous YouTube stuff. That's what you're supposed to tell them.
No, I'm not telling nothing.
Okay.